Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you how you can add multiple pictures to a TikTok video. So let's get in. Now what you need to do is open up your TikTok app in your phone, and then what you need to do is hit on the plus icon in the bottom menu, uh, you know, like this one, and then it's gonna open up a gallery for you guys from where you guys can pick pictures or the video. That's going to be up to you. So for the course of this video, as we are adding multiple pictures, so I'm going to hit on upload, and then from this bottom left check, just check this circle that's going to be select multiple, and then check the pictures that you want to add to a TikTok video. So for example, I want to add these four picture, and then what you need to do is hit on next, and then it's going to open up a TikTok editor in where you guys can add a music, or you guys can turn this slideshow into video. So once it is converted to video, so it's gonna slide on its own. But if you turn into a photo, then your viewers can slide it on, depending upon their interest, right? So once you are done editing your TikTok video, just hit on next, and then it's gonna start posting, or it's gonna give you this screen where you have to you know type in the description. So for example, type, and then you guys can also give hashtags, mentions, and videos as well, and then you guys can hit on post. So that depending upon you, if you want to add a bunch of these options, you guys can do that. But for the course of this video, as I am sticking to the basics, so over here, as you guys can see, my video is successfully uploaded to TikTok. Alright, so guys, for the course of this video, that's it. If you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So see you in the next video. Peace.